Hi people, today I am going to show you how I made around 4000 rupees in intraday options trading. The strategy I used is simple long strangle with adjustment. This is the first trade I have taken with the strategy on my own. Before this, I either took some Telegram tips and made some money or have gambled some trades without any strategy and lost more money. Okay, look, these are the trades I have made, and at the end of the day, I was able to make some profit. I am watching BHARATFORG for like more than a week. Uh, I had this channel pattern building up. I thought it would break out and go up, but it was in a negative. Uh, it was in a negative fall and was coming down. I also saw a triangle pattern forming in a daily chart. This triangle was formed like this. I draw this triangle before this breakout, and thankfully I didn't took the trade. It came back and was a fake breakout. Today, for the last 2 days, the weekends like Saturday and Sunday, I was using the Opstra strategy builder um, to analyze some stocks and tried various different options. So this was the first. No, this isn't the first option I had. I tried by having 800 call option and 730 put option. It was a low risk trade. Here it is showing like 1800 rupees at loss, right? It was showing at less than 1000 rupees loss when it was a 800 call option. But the profit also was not much likely. It was very far away from the middle. One thing about this long strangle strategy is you have to be sure about the trend. Okay, it can go either way. It can go positive or it can go negative, but it has to be volatile. The market has to be volatile and should be trending at any one side. Only then you can make money, or else you will lose money because of theta decay. Also, this is a August expiry. It's just 3 days from today. So theta decay would be faster if this is be a trending trade. So I built some strategy here with the directional view of it going downwards. So I wouldn't be sad if it was a long directional move as long as it moved upwards or downwards. Okay, so what I did, I made a terrible mistake at the start of the day. Like, I didn't even waited for for even a single candle. As soon as I saw the clock hitting 9:15 and the trade started, I just went on and bought. Wait, let me show it. I went on and bought this 770 call option for 10 rupees. I didn't expect it to be bought at 10 rupees. I thought if I had placed it, if I had placed the order at 10 rupees, the order would be executed at whatever the sellers are selling at the least price. Okay, I think it happened, but what happened is for a nick of time, the selling price went at 10 rupees. Okay, so even it went to 10 rupees and 40 paise, and then for the next second it was like 8 rupees something. I was in a loss of 2000 rupees at the very next second. So then what happened, I immediately bought a 740 PE. It was like, it was going something. Let me show you. Yes, it was which candle? Yeah, this candle. It was going good until this candle. Okay, this candle was pretty fine, and after that candle it started to go up uh, it it has been consolidating like for 15 minutes. From this candle to this candle, it went from here to this for like twice and came back. So what I did is this leg, right, this 3 rupees 50 paise became like, it went on to 6 rupees 50 paise twice and came back to 3 rupees 50 paise. So what happened the third time, I let it go to 6 rupees 50 paise and booked the profit like it was 4,500 rupees. Right? I booked the profit and was waiting for the candle to come back to the top so I can buy it back at less than 4 rupees. But what happened? I sold exactly here. Okay. But what happened? Unfortunately, after the very next minute, it came down and went on like this. Okay. At this position, the peak value of this leg went on to 12 rupee 50 paise. It would have been my break even, as I bought this leg at overprice. It would have been my break even, like my profit and loss would have been in zero. But unfortunately, I exited this leg and I was exposed to the risk in this leg. So my loss was running at like 5,000 rupees. What I did then is this is the one. I tried to buy this leg again, but it was rejected. I don't know why it got rejected. It wanted like 90,000 rupees to enter that, but it would cost only 15,000 rupees. I don't know what's the reason. Then I exited this 770 leg to adjust it to 760 leg. First I bought this 760 leg and I exited this 770 leg, and then again I was not able to buy this 740 leg for the same reason. Then somehow I was able to buy back. All these happened like around this time. So after then there was no trend for like most of the day. It was expected. I saw the previous day. This is yesterday. The first 1/3 of the day is trending downwards. Then a big part of the day is consolidation, and then again comes the trend. This is the trending low. I thought of the same thing would happen today. Fortunately, it happened. It was trending down and then it went on to the consolidation phase, and again it came trending down, thankfully. Here comes the interesting part. At one point I was running at a loss of 9,000 rupees. I should have booked the loss, but what I saw is, in the obstra strategy, I saw that that is the peak loss I could have. So it wouldn't go beyond 9,000 rupees. Either of the leg would compensate for the other leg. So my loss wouldn't be more than that. So I thought of holding it, thought that this would go down, trending down. So it happened here. It was a good feeling that the 9,000 rupees got down, loss got down to 5,000 rupees, then 4,000, then at a point 1,500, and finally it became green here. Why I marked this line is because this is 2:40 p.m. The exact time it became a trending phase in the last trading session, like on Friday. So it came at this candle. I was in green. It was profitable. My profit was like 6,600 here, and then this green candle with a huge lower body wick. So in the next green candle I saw if it would go down. It didn't go down, so I thought this would be a trend reversing and go up. So I booked my profits here, 4,000 rupees. The very next candle it went down and it followed the trend the rest of the day except for the last candle. I booked this leg at 19 rupees, right? At one point it went on to 26 rupees. So 7 points. Lot has 1500 shares. 7 points means it's 10,500 rupees more profit I could have made. But I am not sad for it because I saw this to be a reversal because a huge rejection. I thought of it, and I was no more in a mindset of having more loss today because this is my first such trade. I wanted to make slow. Yes, 4,000 rupees on your first trade, first confident trade is not bad, right? Okay, so after the brokerage calculations, it remains at 3,700 rupees. That's what I calculated. So that's it for this trade, guys. I hope you liked it, and I wish you learn what not to do. More than what to do, you might learn what not to do in a trade. So I hope this would be educative for you. Uh, Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share and subscribe for my channel for more such videos. Thank you.